Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit PDFs using Nitro. First, open your desired PDF document within Nitro Pro. Navigate to the Edit tab located at the top of the interface. This tab provides all the essential tools for modifying text and images. Remember to save your progress frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to ensure no changes are lost during your editing session. This simple habit will save you a lot of trouble. To modify text, select the Edit tool and click on the text block you wish to change. You can easily adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. For images, simply click to select, then drag the corners to resize or move them to a new position. If you need to add new text, use the Type Text tool to create a new text box anywhere on the page. These tools give you complete control over your document's visual elements. Nitro Pro allows you to effortlessly manage your document structure. You can insert new pages or delete existing ones with just a few clicks. Enhance your PDF by adding shapes, lines, or callouts for clear annotations. For sensitive information, utilize the powerful redaction tool to permanently remove content, ensuring 100% security. Additionally, apply custom stamps for quick approvals or to watermark your documents efficiently. Once your edits are complete, it's crucial to save your work. Consider saving it as a new version to keep your original document intact. Nitro Pro also offers robust export options, allowing you to convert your PDF into formats like Microsoft Word or Excel with high fidelity. For added security, you can protect your document with passwords and set specific permissions before sharing it directly from the application. This ensures your information remains safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.